Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on the information you see over here. This is for entertainment purposes only. Consult financial advisors and do your own due diligence before placing trades. Okay, let's go. Well, it is Saturday, August 25th, and I'm sitting over here looking at my portfolio. I'm kind of excited. I got some cash infusions waiting to go in next week, and I've been thinking about what I should put them in. So it could be 1 or 2 grand. I haven't decided yet how much I want to put in. And what I'm thinking, here's my thought process here, all right? I really want to get some more of this global dividend ETF. It's a bit expensive though. So I'm gonna need to dedicate a couple grand in a put option if I want to try to collect it. So what I'm thinking of doing is I want to sell a put, okay, because I want to buy the fund at the end of the expiration date. So if I want to buy it September 21st, which is almost a month from now, then I can just sell this option for 40 cents. It's at 20.84 now. And if the price stays below $21, it's at 20.84 right now. If it stays below, then I'm I'm gonna have to buy it at 21. But I collect this 40-cent premium, so my real price will be 2060, and it's 2084 right now. So I'm still getting at a discount to the current price. But then look at this, right? If I'm gonna do that, why not wait till December? September, October, no, November, December. So yeah, all right, 3 more months. But look at this, 90 cent. And so the way I do my calculations, right, is I figure how much is that $1,000 giving me per month. So that's 50 cents for $2,000 roughly. That's 25 cents per thousand. And that's just not enough. That's a little bit more, it's a little bit less than 10 bucks per thousand per month. And I'm just, I just don't think it's worth it. I just don't. I always try to get at least $10 per month. That's my goal here. And I don't think I'll be getting it with this trade. But I really want this fund, so I'm trying to figure out what to do. You actually caught me in the middle of thinking. All right. See, the March, this none of it is worth it. I think the best thing that I can do is this September thing because 2060, if the price stays the way it is right now, that would be 20 cents per stock less. It's worth. So maybe this is what I'll do. I'll think about it over the weekend. I have another day to think about it. Well, I have more than a day, but I'll be thinking on Sunday while I'm working and figure out what to do. But that's my current idea. And if I come up with something else, I'll let you know. But as for right now, that's what I'm thinking. Nothing in the news, of course. All these FANG stocks are making all the headlines as usual. Um, what else? I've been listening to a lot of gold and silver research to figure out what's going on, but it seems like at the moment, even though we had a nice little pop, most people that say they know what they're doing say that it's just temporary and it's going to continue to go down. There's some optimists out there that are predicting like a V-type bottom. And so maybe we can go check it out. Let's go to SLV. SLV is an ETF, guys, that represents roughly the price of silver. So you can buy it and you can follow the price of silver somewhat. It is trading at less than the spot price of silver because it takes a little bit out of its fund every year to pay for its expenses. So that's why. So here's what we're talking about here, right? So people are saying there's a lot more downside to go, but if you look at a chart like this, the weekly chart, some people say because it closed above, right? It closed way above like the lows here, and before the big drop. So people are saying it's kind of like, it signals a change in trend, but the jury is still out. And unfortunately, the Robinhood charts are not that great to look at, but I'll stick with them for now. And as you can see, this is a pretty smooth line down. Doesn't look like it's going to break anytime soon. It's not a huge reversal. Depending on what happens on Monday, though, it might be a change of trend. If this pops up a lot, if Monday's like another plus 3% on silver and like plus 2% on gold, then maybe we're talking like reversal, but most likely not. We'll see how gold and silver is trading on Sunday, and maybe that'll give us a hint as to what's going to happen. But that's about it. I'm looking, I'm kind of pulling back right now. I already have so much position in EXK. I don't know if I want to put some more in. We'll see if it drops below $2, though. I'm backing in the truck for sure. But if it doesn't, if it keeps going up, I'm just gonna let it go up. I'm gonna let my options decrease in value. Maybe I'll buy them back if it pops really high. We'll see what happens. We'll see. But for now, I'm just in a wait and see mode. And I'm looking at accumulating things like SDIV, some monthly dividend stocks. Another one I really like that I want to accumulate more is this fund, PCY. So it's an emerging market sovereign debt ETF, and it pays monthly, which I love. I love monthly payments. Just love them. Love them. So I like this, by the way, over here. Robinhood tells you what the average price on Robinhood is. The Robinhoodites paid for this stock or ETF right here, and it tells you if it's below that right now or higher. It's pretty cool little tool. And this thing right here tells you how many people own this fund on Robinhood. It's just to see, it's just nice to see what the Robinhood lights are doing. So that's the plan. That's what I want to accumulate. I want SDIV and I want PCY, or if there's some huge action in the silver and gold market, I might place some more trades there on Monday, but I'll still think about it. Sunday is my thinking day. No, just every day is my thinking day. Uh, but we'll see what happens. But those are my thoughts for today, guys. All right, peace.